Hi, welcome to this new tutorial on control plus function keys combination. The first shortcut, control plus F1, show or hide ribbon. The options of every tab will be displayed below it, below the tab bar. We call this as ribbon. If we want to hide it, we have to simply click on control F1. If I want to see it again, I have to click control F1 again. Show or hide ribbon is control F1. Control F2. Print preview window. Before printing, how it is printed on paper. If we think about viewing how it gets printed on paper, we have to simply click on Control F2. It displays the information that is to be printed on paper. How it will be printed on paper can be seen by using print preview window. The shortcut for it is Control F2. Suppose if I have these four cells selected, if I select Control F3, then BM4, it is H4, right? So I am giving new for it. What is the name? Add. Okay. Scope workbook. Right. Done. Okay, I'm closing it. Now I can use, what is the name that I gave for these four cells? I gave add. Now I can give equal to sum of. So I can give add here directly as I gave name over there. So what is the answer I got? 100. What I did? I selected these four cells. After selecting these four cells, I simply clicked on Control F3. Now, as so many formulas are already given, I'm deleting all of them. Now I don't have any names to be used in formula. Now what I'm doing, I'm simply using new. Name of it is values. So already four cells are selected. The name given for these four cells is values. Scope is workbook. I'm not writing any comment for this. I can also write comment like for adding values to be added. Just comment of my choice. Okay. Now, these four cells are saved with the name values. Now, what I can do in place of add, as add is written as name, I'm simply typing values and I'm simply clicking on enter. So these four values will be considered and they will be added in this manner. The combination of cells can be given a name for to be used in formula that can be given by using Control F3. Control F4. If I think about closing the window, I can do it. We want to save the changes. Okay, if I click on save or don't save, automatically the window will get closed. Okay, I'm simply deselecting and don't want to close the window. Control F1. Restore size. This is the restore size, right? In the top, we have minimize, restore, or maximize on the close button. So Control F5, restore window size. So if more than one workbook is open, now you see here, this is the new workbook. If I use the shortcut Control F6, I will go to next workbook. Okay, again Control F6, next work. In this manner, I can navigate from one workbook to another by using Control F6 shortcut key. Next, move window. So this works when window size is like this, right? Control F7. Now I can move the window when it is in restore size. Okay, Control F7. No shortcut for Control F8, Control F1, F9 for minimize the workbook. So it goes directly to task pane. Control F9. Now it is in task pane, right? Now I'm selecting this again. For minimizing, Control F9. We can also use Windows down arrow for minimizing, restore and minimize options. But here, the shortcut in Excel is Control F9 to minimize the workbook. Control F10. Restore or maximize the workbook. Restore and maximize. Once restore, next to maximize. If it is in restore mode, it maximizes. If it is in maximize state, then it goes to restore state. Restore or maximize state of workbook will be done by using Control F10 shortcut. So we can record actions to a tool in Quick Access toolbar, or we can also record it for a particular shortcut in Excel, PowerPoint, and most of the Windows-based applications are MS Office-based applications. We call it as macro recording of actions, which are to be performed repeatedly. Will be recorded by using macros, and we can assign a shortcut for macro. We can give a tool in Quick Access toolbar, right? We can give a button or option in Quick Access toolbar also. We can also go for specifying name effect and all that can be run by using the shortcut Control F11. Now you can see macro 1 is created. I can go for use of macro. Now new macro 1 window is created, and that is created because of Control F11. New macro sheet is created because of the shortcut Control F11. And Control F12 for open. Already saved files will be opened. Control O is Control 1, Control F12 will be the same. These are the shortcuts we have from Control F1 to Control F12. Thank you.